Hey guys! So in this video, I'm gonna show you my green goddess dressing. I love dressings like this. I love different kinds of sauces and things that I home make that are in my fridge. I know the ingredients that are going in them. They're super versatile. I love having a really versatile dressing like this that I could put on proteins, on salads, on noodles, on rice. Like, this is just one of those things that it's really worth the little bit of time it takes to make it. It's so easy, and it's just a really fun little elevation to have in your fridge. It stays good for about a week. So check it out, and it's delicious. Here's the other really cool thing about this recipe. It all goes in a blender, and you turn it on, and it's done. Amazing. Okay, so here we go. First things first, quarter cup of water. So when I'm making a recipe like this, I like prepping all my ingredients, putting them on a baking sheet, and then you just toss it in the blender. It makes it so much easier. Quarter cup of olive oil. And then you can also give little jobs to people who happen to be hanging out in your kitchen. And then they can help you get everything together. 1 lemon, juiced. So you can have 3 tablespoons of fresh tarragon, but I didn't have any. So if that's the case, I cut it down like 1/3. So this is just about a tablespoon of dried tarragon because I couldn't find any. Cup of Italian flat leaf parsley. Quarter cup of scallions or chives. 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped dill. I love dill. I know it's a thing where like you're either a dill person or you're not a dill person. I'm a dill person and I love it. 3 tablespoons of mint. I love fresh mint. 1 garlic clove, easy peasy. Okay, so this is 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of tahini, and a teaspoon of honey. You don't have to use tahini. I like it. It adds a really beautiful flavor and creaminess. I even made this with Greek yogurt too. So now I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground coriander, which is delicious. Okay, now we're just gonna blend it up. Look at how hard this recipe is. It doesn't get easier than that. Oh my gosh. I love that I have this like cocktail spoon in here, so let's use it. This is like perfect. This is meant for cocktails. I don't know why it's in there, but it is. Oh, that's good. Woo-hoo! That lemon juice is tart. I love that. I am gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. You always want to taste for salt and pepper, but that's delicious. Wow. Salt. Fresh black pepper. So let's just blend this up a little. I don't know if you guys can hear this rain. It's like crazy raining outside. Ready to go. I love having things like this in my fridge, just prepped and ready to go. Really elevates meals. I love homemaking sauces like this that you can buy at the store. It really makes such a difference. All right, cool. Thanks for hanging out. See you next time.